Types of tests. Types of tests. What parts of application should you test? That depends on aspects of project, user expectations, time allowed for the project, priorities set by the project manager, and so on. Once the project boundaries are defined, though, you, the tester, will certainly make many decisions on what to test. Testing static content. The simplest type of test, a content test, is a simple test for the existence of a static, non-changing, UI element. For instance, does each page have its expected page title? This can be used to verify test found an expected page after following a link. Does the application's home page contain an image expected to be at the top of the page? Does each page of the website contain a footer area with links to the company contact page, privacy policy, and trademarks information? Does each page begin with heading text using the H1 tag? And does each page have the correct text within that header? Testing links. A frequent source of errors for websites is broken links or missing pages behind links. Testing involves clicking each link and verifying the expected page. If static links are infrequently changed, then manual testing may be sufficient. However, if web designers frequently alter links, or if files are occasionally relocated, link tests should be automated. Function tests. These would be tests of a specific function within application, requiring some type of user input, and returning some type of results. Often a function test will involve multiple pages with the form-based input page containing a collection of input fields, submit and cancel operations, and one or more response pages. User input can be via text input fields, checkboxes, drop-down lists, or any other browser-supported input. Function tests are often the most complex tests you'll automate, but are usually the most important. Function tests typically mirror the user scenarios used to specify the features and design or application. Testing dynamic elements. Often a web page element has the unique identifier used to uniquely locate that element within the page. Usually these are implemented using the HTML tags ID attribute or its name attribute. These names can be a static, that is unchanging, string constant. They can also be dynamically generated values that vary each instance of the page. AJAX tests. AJAX is a technology which supports dynamically changing user interface elements, which can dynamically change without the browser having to reload the page, such as animation, RSS feeds, and real-time data updates, among others. There's a countless ways AJAX can be used to update elements on a web page. But the easy way to think of this is that in AJAX-driven applications, data can be retrieved from the application server and then displayed on the page without reloading the entire page. Only a portion of the page, or strictly the element itself, is reloaded.